Uh, Hello students. Now today again, this is a very important topic in advanced data structure, and today we are solving some problems algorithm based on the text processing, and also we will try to teach you about the natural language processing. Okay, because this natural language processing I will solve some algorithm. So by the help of this ADS we got the word, this subject, natural language processing in artificial intelligence. Today we will show. So in the text processing we will discuss about the at first brute force, and there are some other algorithm KMP and Boyer-Mori something. Okay, some algorithm we will discuss one by one, and what is the time complexity. So already we discussed such type of problems during our class session. So at first we have taken one example. Suppose we have a text, okay, and its length is equal to 17. You can also count. Its length is equal to 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 17 length. Okay, now I have a pattern. This pattern AIML. So my text is now research in AIML, and my text is pattern is equal to AIML. Length is equal to 4. I have written one code here. I am writing hash include stdio.h, okay, for the printf and scanf. I am writing string.h, so it can read the string. This is my function void search. Okay, return type is null, and inside there are two parameters character, both are pointer. Now I am reading the size of pattern and size of text that will come from here. Okay, now my size is equal to m and n. After then size is integer, type is equal to integer. After then I am using one this for loop. This loop is working from 0 to n minus m. In place of this you can also write n, no problem. After then for j is equal to 0, j is less than m. This is very important. What is the meaning of this? This is very important. If text I plus j is not equal to pattern j, then break. Okay, now this loop is working from 0 to m. What is the meaning of this? Now see here, I am coming here. You should try to learn. Okay, now see here. So this is my j, and this is my I. So at first I is equal to 0, and I is equal to 0, j is also 0. I am checking I and j both are equal. No, both are not equal. You can see n and a both are not matching. If both are not matching means skip. What is the meaning of this? Means break. Break meaning if both are not matching, break. Break means come out from this loop and increase the value of I plus plus. Done. The meaning of this. Okay, this is very important. Now what is the meaning of this? So I increase the value of I. Again I am checking both are matching, not matching. So come break, again come outside and I plus plus. Again I and j, I is equal to 3 and w and a matching, no, I plus plus, 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 yes, matching. So j plus plus, okay. Now this I am using this color. Okay, this I and this are not matching. Okay, next I, because what we have written if j is matching, so I is equal to, suppose I is equal to 5, let I is equal to 5. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is equal to pattern 0. Yes, because a and matching. So now 5 plus 1, I plus j plus plus, 5 plus 1 means next letter from the text is matching with pattern J? No, you can see also. No, I and R is not matching. So if both are not matching means again break. Okay, break means come out from the loop and I plus plus. So once I plus plus, again you are going back. Again you are going back. So again J is starting from here. This is the biggest problem here. Okay, so again A and C matching, no. A and I plus plus, H and A matching, no. I plus plus. Again this and this matching, no. I plus plus. This and this matching, no. I plus plus. And this and this matching, yes. This and this matching. Okay. Now it means that J plus plus. Now this and this matching, yes. J plus plus. This and this matching, yes. J plus plus. This and this matching, yes. J plus plus. Now I reached here, stop. Okay. So what is the value of I? My value of I is here, means my text is available here. So what is the meaning of this? My loop is working, time complexity is n minus m. Your first loop is working n minus m and both are dependent into m. Your this is reading all text and its length is equal to m. So this is the time complexity for the best case. If data is not available, means a pattern is not available in my text, in this condition your time complexity will be order of n into m. Order of n into m. Okay, so for this reason I told you should write here n. Maybe the text is not available. I think that you understand. So this is a brute force pattern. How the brute force pattern is working. Now we will go another example. Okay, this code also we have written. Now we will discuss about the Boyer-Mori. Okay, how it is working. Now see here, there are some example we explain in the class. Okay, this time I will not explain here. I will explain you the bad character match at first. Okay, what is the meaning of bad character match? Now suppose there is a formula you have to remember, m minus j minus 1. You have to remember this one. Okay, so before making this bad character match, I will at first what I will do, I will make my separate box here. Okay, I will make my separate box here and I will write my text only one time. I will write my text only one time because there are m, this I and I both are repeated and S and S both are repeated. So I will write M only one time and I will write I also one time. I will write S also one time. Done. Okay, you have to learn at first this one. Done. After then what you will write, for M, my formula is M minus J minus 1. This is my formula. What is M? The length of my pattern. This is 5. What is J? J means what is the index of my M? My index of M is equal to 0. So M minus 0 minus 1, this is 4. So in place of this I will write 4. Done. Now next, for I. So again M minus J minus 1, 5 minus 1. Why 1? Because my I is placed at first index. So this is value 3. Okay, this value is 3. I will write 3 here. Done. Next, what is next? Next is S. So for this, up to this we have done. Now for S, M minus J minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 2. 2 means J. What is 2? J is 2. Okay, so 5 minus 2 minus 1 is 2. So in place of S I will write 2. Done. Okay, now next for this S, again S repeated. I will again solve the problem here. So M minus J minus 1, 5 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, actually here the formula is not correct. The formula is, you should write, formula is like this. Okay, you should write max, this is the correct formula. Okay, max of 1 comma M minus J minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, you have to use this formula. Okay, I have not written this formula here. Maximum of this. Now see here, for s, m minus j minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 comma 1 is equal to 1 is max. So now s was 2. S was 2. What I will do? I will replace this one. Now this is 1. Means the updated value of the text, repeated text, will be the bad character index. Okay. Now next is I. I am working for I. Sorry, I am working for I. Now for I, m minus j minus 1, 5 minus j minus 1 is equal to 0. He has written. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, why? Because you have to choose. This is actually 1 comma 0. This is here. What is max? Max is equal to 1. So now you should write here 1. Okay, in place of this you should write 1. Where? In place of I. Okay, what is I? My I is here. This is repeated. So my I is here repeated. So I will write 1. Okay. So now this is, if you understand this one. Okay, if you understand this one, how to make this array, this bad character match, then easily you can understand. Again, I will show another example. If you are not able to understand, I will show another example, bad character match. Suppose I have this problem. My text is equal to something, welcome and to and TEAM, team, MAST, must. Okay, welcome to team, must, MAST. Okay, so I am searching this TEAM, MAST. So pattern, for the pattern I will make the bad character match. Okay, at first I will write the index of this T, index of E, index of A, M, M, A, S, T. Done. This is my index normal in my array. Now I have written. Okay, now I will make my bad character match. How? At first I will take this T. Okay, I am using the formula here. 1 comma 8 length of my this pattern, length of my pattern. This is 8. Okay, minus 0. 0 means index of my T. Index of my T. This is 0. Minus 1. This is 7. So this 7 I will place here. Done. This 7 I will place here. Now for E. Next for E. Now for E. M minus j minus 1. 8 minus 1. 1 is the index. Minus 1 is equal to 6. This 6 I will place here. Done. Now next for A. Next for A. 8 minus 2 minus 1. What is 2? 2 is the index. Okay. This 5 I will place here. Done. Now next M. For M. Now 8 minus 3 minus 1. What is 3? 3 is the index. 3 is the index. So this 4 I will place here. Done. Now next is M. Again M is repeating. So I will write the updated value of M. Now M, 8 minus 4. 4 is the index, minus 1. This is 3. So before it was something different. You can see. Before it was 4. Before it was 4. So I will write the updated value. In place of 4, I am writing now 3. Because 3 is the updated value of 4. Done. Now next, for A. For A. So A, 8 minus 5 minus 1. 5 is the index of A. So this is 2. Now you can see this A, before it was, A was 5 before. Now this, in place of this A, I am writing 2. This is the updated value of A. Okay. Now next is my S. Okay. Now again 8 minus 6 minus 1. 6 means index of S. This is 1. Now in place of S I am writing 1. This is came only first time. Now next is T. T means, what is T? T is the 8 minus 7 minus 1. 7 is the index. Okay. So T is already came. T is already came. What was T? At that time T was 7. So updated value of T is 1. So this 1 I will place here. So now this is my overall bad character match. Done. So now at last there is a star. What is the meaning of this? This is the length of my string. The length of my string is equal to some people they have written length of the string is equal to 8. Either you can write 8 also. In place of this you can write 8. I check also multiple time, nothing, no problem is there. Or you can also write this one also, 1 2, actually this updated this one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, this is 5, or you can write 5. Okay, out of this you can write any one. Now what I will do, this bad character match. Now you can see I have written the length of my string is 8. Okay, we have written. Now once we have done, now I will try to check how to check the algorithm is working. Okay, now this is my text and this is my pattern. This is my text and pattern. I will start from right. Number first, this is the algorithm. I will start from right. Now I will see both are matching. Yes, both are matching, no problem. Both are matching, no, both are not matching. I will check what is the index of E in my pattern. What is the meaning of this? What is the index of E in my pattern? There are two cases. Case number one, either E is present or E is not present. If E is present, then I will shift the pattern according to the index of E. So what is the index of E? My index of E is 6. My index of E is 6. What is the meaning of this? I will shift 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means I will shift 6. My pattern. Done. If E is not there, the second question, if E is not there, I will shift my pattern according to the length of my string. Okay, getting? If E is present there, then I will write the index of E. I will write the index of T, and according to this I will shift my pattern. And if E is not there, then I will take the index. Index means my index of my length of my pattern. So what is the length of my pattern? 8. I will shift my pattern 8 right side. Okay, done. Now next, again I am checking. Now you can see all are matched. This is my algorithm. Done. So this is very, very simple. Okay, there are only two cases. Either the data is there or the data is not there. If the data is available, then in my pattern, okay, then I will shift my pattern according to the index of the alphabet. Otherwise, I will take the length of the string. This is the algorithm of KMP. Now we are going to another one. So this is the Boyer-Mori. Okay, this is very good because I like this one. Okay, this is very good algorithm, Boyer-Mori. Now I am going another. The another one is the KMP. Okay, so before starting KMP, we have to understand something. Okay, so how the KMP is working. Before starting KMP, at first I will come here. I will not come here. I will come here. We will teach, because this is very important if you want to learn the natural language processing. Suppose we have a text, this one, A, B, C and D and A, B, C, and this is the index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the index of my pattern. So what is the meaning of prefix and what is the meaning of suffix? Prefix means I am taking this A, I am taking this A, I am taking this A. Okay, so this A, then second AB, second ABC. ABC means how many subset of a set. Okay, so ABC from first to last, ABCD, this is the prefix. And what is the meaning of suffix? Suffix means I am taking from last. At first I am taking C, okay, then BC, okay, then ABC, then A, B, C, D. Okay, so you can see C, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D. So if you are taking the text from right side one by one, okay, 1, then 2, then length 3, then length 4, that is the meaning of suffix. If you are taking the data from left to right, length 1, length 2, length 3, that is the meaning of prefix. I think that you understand. Now second, we have to learn this. What is the meaning of this? Now suppose you have a text. Your text is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, E, A, B, F. Now we will start from here. A, at first I will read A. A is there? No. A is there? No. A is there? No. A is there? Yes. A is repeated. A is repeated. Once A is repeated, I will write 1 here because A is repeated. Done. Now, so now next is B. After A, what is the text B? This is also repeated. So I will write 2. Okay. This is a new text that is repeated. A, B. Done. Now next is E. E is not there after B. Okay. So I will just leave it. And after then A. A is repeated. You can see A is repeated. Okay. So again A is repeated. I will write 1. Okay. Then B. Then B. B is also repeated. B is also repeated. A, B. Okay. So I am writing 1, 2. Then this is not repeated. So how many repeated? I have written 1, 2, and rest I have written 0. Rest I have written 0. Means these are repeated 0 time. Okay. If you are not able to understand, again I will use different color so easily you can understand. Now suppose we have another pattern. My pattern is equal to A, B, C, D, A, B, D, and A, B, C. Okay. Now I will start from here. A. Okay. A is there? No. A is there? No. A is there? No. A is there? No. A is yes. A is repeated. I am writing 1. Now B. Is there after A, B? Yes. So I will write 2. Okay. This is the next alphabet that is repeated after A. F. No. F. No. Now A. Yes. I will write 1. B. Yes. I will write 2. C. Yes. I will means these 3 alphabet one by one they are repeated. You can see C is there after A. So remaining, what is the remaining? My remaining I will write 0. This 0 means these are repeated 0 time. Remaining. Okay, these are the remaining. Still you are not able to understand. Again I will go next. So my next, I am using same color. A. Okay. A is repeated, yes. So I am writing 1. Done. Now this is after A. After A is B. No. No. Okay. This is no. Now C. No. Now A. Yes. A again came A. A is repeated. Yes. Yes means 1. Now D. No. A means yes. Yes means A. 1. Now after A again A. You can see. So again I am writing 2. So this is the second text. Okay. Now even they are same, but this is the second text that is repeated. Now after A there is a B. So that is the third text that is repeated. Okay. After B there is no E. Leave it. And remaining, what I will do? The remaining I will write 0. This is the remaining. 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 Okay. Still you are not able to understand. This is the fourth example. So it is so it will be clear. Now next is A, B, C, D. So now this is, at first you will write this A. Okay. This A repeated, I am writing 1. Okay. Now again after A there is A. After A there is A. You can see after A there is A. So this is repeated, I am writing 2. 1, 2. Done. So this is 0. 0 means later I will explain. 0 means not repeated. Okay, still not repeated. This is the first one. Now next again A is coming. Now you can see A. Okay, to A after A. So at first you are here. At first you are reading here, okay. After then you can see your A is coming, means this A is repeated. After A you can see, after A there is A, so this A is also repeated, okay. A. Now again A is coming, so I am writing 3, okay, third time. So A is repeated 3 times after A, okay. Now B, there is no B. If I am starting from here, there is no B. Now again A, this A already came, so this is repeated, okay. This A, yeah, this is the next A repeated. If you will see here, okay. C is no, there is no C, there is no D. So remaining I am writing 0. Remaining I am writing 0. These are the remaining, these are the remaining, these are the remaining, and these are the, they never repeated, okay, because we start from here. So if you understand this, how to make this okay, so easily you can understand this KMP algorithm. Now suppose we have an example. My example is suppose my example is AB, ABC, ABC and ABA, BD, suppose, okay. And now how to make this pattern you have to understand. At first this A and this B and this A, this is my pattern. You will write the pattern and you will write the index of the pattern, okay. You can see 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So now for this your J is working from 0, okay, and second your I is working from here, and you will write all the index of your text 1 2 3 4 5 up to 15, up to 15, done. Now J is working from 0 to 5. Now what is this? I will explain what is this. So now at first we have to understand what is this. See here, you have to understand what is this 0 0. So this A, okay. Next is B, okay. This A already came, okay, this A, so I am writing 1, done. Now B is after A there is a B, after A there is a B, so I am writing 2. D never came, I am, so remaining I am writing 0. So this is the meaning of this one. So we try to understand, this is came 0 time, this is came 0 time. This is the meaning of 0 0 1 2 0. So once you understand how to make the pattern, then easily you can now verify the algorithm. So we have written here I and J. I is working from 1 to 15 and J is working from 0 to 5. So at first you will write the value of I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 0. Now you will compare I and J plus 1. What is I? I is at first place. I is at first place. And J is equal to 0. J plus 1 is equal to, J is here. J is here. J is equal to 0. J plus 1 is equal to 1. Now I am comparing A and A. I am comparing A and A. A and A both are matching. Matching means I plus plus J plus plus. So what is the meaning of this? Before I was 1, now I is 2. And J was 0, now J is 1, done. Now compare I and J plus 1. I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2 means I am here. I am here. And J is equal to, now J plus 1 means 2. So I will compare this I and J. I will compare this I and J. So you can see this B and this B both are same. Both are same. What is the meaning of this? My B and B both are same. If both are same, I plus plus J plus plus. Now my I is equal to 3 and J is equal to 2. Now I will compare my I and J plus 1. Okay. So now what is I? I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3 means, I is equal to 3 means I am here. So this is A. I will compare this A and A. I will compare this A and A. So now you can see, compare A and A. So both are matching. So I plus plus J plus plus. What is the meaning of this? The meaning is I will increase I will increase J. So I is equal to 4, J is equal to 3. I is equal to 4 means I am here. I is equal to 4 means I am here. J is equal to 4 means I am here. J plus 1, sorry. J plus 1 is equal to 4, I am here. So j plus 1, I and j plus 1 compare. Now sorry, I am here. J plus 1 compare b and b. Yes, I plus plus j plus plus. Now I plus plus means j plus 1 4 means 5 and j is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now compare I and j plus 1. Compare I and j plus 1. Now I will see what is I. I is equal to 5 and j is also 5. I is equal to 5 and j also 5. You can see C and D both are not matching. Once both are not matching, what is the meaning of this? I will not touch I. Okay, so j, I will check the index of j. Okay, now j is equal to 4 actually. J is equal to 4. So what is the index of j? J means 4 means the index of j is 2. Okay, the index of j is 2 at 4. So I will shift j is 2. I will shift j is 2. So now j is equal to 2. J is equal to 2. Again I will move means j is equal to 2. Now I will compare I and j plus 1. Now I and j plus 1. I is still same. I is still C. So j is equal to 2 means I am here. So compare b and c. So again j is equal to 2. J is equal to 2 means because actually j is equal to 2 and j plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so I am comparing this j is equal to 2, j plus 1 is equal to 3. So I am comparing this A and comparing this C. Both are not matching. Again both are not matching means I will check the index of 2, index of j. Okay, so j is equal to 2 actually. J is equal to 2. So the index of j 2 means 0. So I will shift 0. J is equal to 0. So j is equal to 0 now. Okay, j is equal to 0. Now I will compare I and j plus 1. So C and A. Why C and A? Because I is still C. But 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now you can see this A and C is not matching. Okay, C and A is not matching. Now you can see after J we cannot move. That is impossible. So what is the meaning of this? Whenever I am reaching the end position of J, in this condition we have to move I plus plus. So now I is equal to, now my position is here, I is equal to C. So it means that my data is not present up to this. My pattern is not present up to this. So I plus plus, j is equal to now this. Okay, so now j is pointing at 6. Now j is equal to 6. I is equal to 6. I is equal to 6. So now I is equal to 6. Now I will compare and j is equal to 0. You already know j is equal to 0. Okay, this happened because I reached at the end position of front position of my pattern. So j is equal to 0. I am comparing again I and j plus 1. So I is equal to, what is I? I is equal to A. You can see I is equal to A. I am comparing this A with A because j is equal to 0 means 0 plus 1 is equal to A. I am comparing this A and A. Both are matching. Matching means I plus plus j plus plus. Same algorithm. Now I is equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, j is equal to 1. Why? Because before j was 0. Now j is equal to 1. Compare I and j plus 1. I is equal to 7. Compare with this. Both are matching. B and B. Both are matching. Yes means I plus plus j plus plus. I is equal to 8 and j is equal to 2. So now you can see I is equal to 8. I is equal to 8 means I am here. And j is equal to 2 means 2 plus 1 3. Okay. Now you can see this B and this C and this A is not matching. Okay. This both are not matching. If you compare I, C and A, both are not matching. Both are not matching means I will take the index of J. Okay, what is the index of J? J is equal to J. What was J? J is equal to 2. Okay, what is the index of J? J is equal to 2 means J is equal to 2. What is the index of J? Index of J is equal to 0. So I will write J is equal to 0 now. I will write J is equal to 0. So now J is equal to 0. J is equal to 0. I will compare I and J plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Again not matching. It means that J is at end position. So I will shift I plus plus. So same algorithm you have to complete multiple times. So I is equal to 9. Now I am here. Again I will compare. Again I will compare I is equal to 9 and J is equal to 0. So I will compare I and J plus 1. A matching. You can see I am here. This A and this A is matching. This A is matching. Now I plus plus J plus plus. I plus plus J plus plus. Again I is equal to 10. I is equal to 10. I plus plus J plus plus. Okay. Sorry. Again I plus plus J plus plus. I plus plus J plus plus. I plus plus J plus plus. All are matching. I got my text. Means pattern. So this is a way. If the data is not present, means both are not matching. If both are not matching, check the index of new index. Check the new index of pattern and update the value of J according to the index. Okay, this is a algorithm. I think that you understand. So this up to this we completed. Now next, this is very important. So now we will learn what is the meaning of TRIE. TRIE. Okay, what is the meaning of TRIE? 1 minute, message is coming. 125. My class is going on. Okay, now TRIE. We will learn the TRIE. Now, what is the meaning of TRIE in data structure? Okay, so now from here our natural language processing started. Now suppose you have a text and, ant, dad and do. Suppose you have this one. This is your root node. I am writing A and D. Now you can see this A and already you have written. So why I will write multiple time? I am writing A and T I am writing here. Done. Very simple. Suppose we have dad. D A D. Okay, dad. Done. Do. This do already D already written. So I am not writing multiple time. Okay. So how our natural language processing is working? Today we will learn how our natural language processing is working. Okay, today we will learn. Now see here, suppose you have a simple A and D. You have written this one. Okay, easily you can search also A and D. And if you want to insert aunt, you can write T is here. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? If I am writing and, I am using same root. Okay, even I am writing aunt. I have also up to this I have same root. After then I am changing my root. So what is the meaning of this? I am not writing something multiple time. Okay, to reduce the time complexity. Okay, now see here. Suppose I have a dad. I have to search dad. What I will do? I will go here D A D. Done. So I am not going here this branch. I am going only this branch to reduce the time complexity. So searching is very easy. Okay, now see here another try method. Suppose I have some text. My text is equal to, I have written some text here. My text, there are three types of try. Okay, one is the standard try, second is the compressed try, and third is the suffix try. Okay, now your NLP started from here. Okay, now you can see I have some words and I have written like this. Already we explained. Just C S E E C and S E A I. okay, something, and this is M-A-N, man, and this is I-N, in, okay. So man, S-E-A-I, something I have written, okay, there is no meaning. Now what is the time complexity? Space complexity is equal to order of n plus k, insert order of k, and checking something order of k. That is the worst case. So now at first I will see first one, I will see the standard one. I will not come here at first, I will come later. At first I will come standard, okay. Standard already we discussed. This is the standard try, means whatever you have the text. I will show you one example. So how to write the text? This is the standard. Suppose you have G, E and K, S, okay. Again G, E, suppose another text G, E, E, K, T, another text. Suppose another text, what you will write? G, E, this is E, R, okay. Another text, suppose you have another text G, E, E, Z. So you are using only one branch, okay. Means according to your text you are changing the branch, okay. That is the meaning of standard try, okay. You can see I am going this branch or I am going this branch, okay. You are changing the branch. Here also you can see according to my text I am going B, and after then A, then after then L, then after then L, ball, okay. Very easy. Now suppose you have another one B, A, T, bat, okay. Suppose you have another one is equal to, you have E, A, R, ear, okay. And you have another one is equal to E, A, T, eat, okay. So now another one is equal to T, E, A, T, है ना. So similarly another one I have E, T, E, N. So you can see that how beautiful it is, okay. So this is the standard try, okay, how you are writing. So you can see that at last this is the output: ball, bat, EAR, EAT, TA, TN, okay. This is the output of my standard try, okay. So but we are using the same branch to reach such type of destination. Now what is the meaning of compressed try? We will try to understand what is the meaning of compressed try. So what is the meaning of compressed try? The meaning is, if you are writing B, E and AR, okay. Now you can see, instead of making another node, okay, that is the wasting of time. What is the meaning of this? Whenever there is no other node, means no other next branch, so compress the text and shift in a box. This is the meaning of compressed try, okay. You can see that this is also another example. You are another one is B, E, L, L, okay. You can see after then there is nothing, there is no other branch. So these two data put in a box. This is the meaning of compressed. Another, suppose we have BID, bid. You can see that there is no other branch, only one branch. So why I will take this ID in different node? I will write such type of text that is the repeated, that is only one branch, there is no other branch. So I will take the data in one node. This is the meaning of compressed try. Similarly, suppose I am going this branch S, E and II. You can see this is coming one time and there is no other branch, only one branch. So I will take this II in one node, okay. Similarly for other. So this is the meaning of my compressed try. I have a beautiful example. Suppose I have this example. You can see root. This is my root, and I have B, A, L, L. I have written in one node. Done. After then another. You should try. This is very important. Another one B, BAA. Then after then I have written everything in one node. SKET something. Okay. Another, suppose I have this one, and B, E, C and X. I have written this one. Okay. Now after then, similarly I have written this one, STOCK stock and STOP stock. Okay. So whenever it is not possible to make different branch, then I am compress my text. This is the meaning of my compressed trie. Now you can see after then what we have written. This data we have written in this form S0. I am writing S0 is equal to ball. This is my first text. Second text is equal to box. Third text is equal to bomb. Fourth is equal to basket. Fifth is equal to stock, and sixth is equal to stop. You can see also here. This is my ball. This is my first branch. I am getting ball. Second branch I am getting B basket. Third branch I am getting box. This is my box. You can see. And fourth branch I am getting BOMB bomb. Then STOCK stock. Then STOP stop. So these all texts we have written in here. Okay, S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 in an array. Now my formula is equal to node I, J, K. What is the meaning of I? The meaning of I is represent the index of S at which word is present. Okay, where the word is present, and J meaning represent the index at which the prefix, I told that this is very important, prefix start, and K means where the prefix end. Now see here, after then this beautiful I am writing in this method. Now you can see that how we have written. Now what is the meaning of this? I will explain. At first I have written 0 0 0. What is this 0 0 0? I, J, K. Actually what is this here? My data is B. My data is B. You can see my data is B. So now you can see my B. My B is at I have written 0. So my B is here. Means a ball. Actually this is ball. You can see B. B means a ball. Okay. Ball. Okay. Then I have written J. J means where the prefix start. My prefix start at B. Okay. My prefix start at B means 0. Okay. And where my prefix end, my prefix also end at, because this is ball, I am going ball, B. Okay. So if you are not able to understand up to this, again I am using another example. This is very best example. One is I am using this, suppose I am using this one, 1 2 2. Okay, easily you can understand. 1 2 2, what is this? Now at first I will come here, 1 2 2, what is this? 1 2 2, 1 2 2, my 1 2 2, this 1 2 2 is equal to box. Okay, so this is box, means I am here. What is, where is box? Box is here. Okay, box is here. Okay, now see here what we have written. 1 means where the data is present. My data is present at first. Okay, I means where is the data present. Where is the data present? J, where is the prefix start? I have written here 2. Okay, where is the prefix start? So my, where is the prefix start? My prefix start, you can see this is BOX. Okay, so I am writing in place of X. Now see here, this is 0 1 2. Okay, if you are getting, this is 0 according to my array. Okay, this is my 0 and this is my 1, this is my 2. So my this X start at 2. Okay, and this is also my suffix. Okay, this is also my prefix, sorry. Okay, IKJ, this is also my prefix. Okay, so I have written 1 2 2. If you are not able to understand, again I am explaining. 3 2 5. 3 2 5. What is this? Now see here, 3 2 5. So in place of 3 2 5, what is this? Basket, BASKET. This is basket, KET. Now where is the basket came? Basket came at 3. So I have written 3. Done. Now what is 2? So now see here, BASKET, S. So where is S? Now you can see 0, 1, 2. So at 2 my S is there. So I have written 2 is here. At 2 I have written 2 here. Okay, done. Now third one, BASKET, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 5 my T is present. Now you can see BASKET, my last word is T. Okay, so where is my end position? My end position I have written also here. My end position is 5, so I have written 5 here. I think that now you can understand very easy. Still you are not able to understand. Again I am explaining this one. 5, 3, 3. What is this? Now see here, 5, 3, 3 means what is this actually? This is stop. Okay, this is stop. My fifth is stop. Now see here, my fifth is stop. Okay, my fifth is stop. So I have written 5 because my stop at place at 5. My stop place at 5, STOP. So my text is equal to P. My text is equal to P here. My text is equal to P. Okay, so now see here, my text is equal to P, and 3 I have written. 3 I have written 3, STOP. Now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. So this P, I am just talking about this P. I am talking about this P. I am talking about this P. So this P is the first and last position. What is the first position and what is the last position? My first position is 3, last position is 3. I think that you understand. Okay, so this is very easy. If again you are not able to understand, again I will show the last one, and I am writing this one. This is very good example. Okay, 0, 2, 3. So what is the meaning of this? I have to search ball, BALL, ball. So where is the ball present? Ball present at 0. Okay, so I have written here 0. This is the reason. So now second, what I am searching? I am searching LL. I am searching LL. So in BALL, 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 start and 3. Start and end. 0, 0, 2, 3. Okay, so 0, 2, 3. Start and end. Start and end. I think that now you can understand. This is very easy. Okay, now so up to this, if you understand suffix, now we are talking about the suffix. And suffix means actually this is also same. I have written one very simple example. So my example is, suppose you have one text ABAKAN. Okay, so you can write 6 suffix. Already we explained about the suffix. So you can write AAKAN and BAKAN and AKAN, KAN, ANN. So these are all suffix, and I am writing in this method. So ABAKAN, AKN, ANAN, okay, AN, and another suffix, another suffix, another. All suffix I am writing in this method. This is very important for the natural language processing. Okay, up to this and according to this we are writing. This is the suffix TRIE. Okay, so already we explained. Now the text processing means natural processing started. Okay, in the natural language processing we are using some tokenization, something we are using. We will discuss. The first one is the regular expression. What is the meaning of regular expression? The regular expression meaning flexible pattern matching. Okay, I will show you one code. Second one is the tokenization. Tokenization, what is the meaning of this? To break the text in smaller unit. And third meaning, laminatization means we are reducing the word and we are finding the base root in the form. Later I will show you. And next one is the part of speech. The part of speech means we are checking the corresponding speech as noun, verb and adjective. Okay, means we are leveling of the sentence. So now suppose we have one example. The example is equal to, I have given some text. So at first I will clean the text. How to clean the text? I will clean means I will find the lowercase and I will try to remove the numbers. I will try to remove the punctuation. I will try to remove the HTML text. So at last my after removing, my output is this. Done. Now next, tokenization. What is the meaning of tokenization? So tokenization means suppose the text, okay, you can see that I have written different tokens. I have taken the overall text and I divided them in different sets, okay, subsets. So what we have written, if you want to split the word in individual word, okay, to make them individual word, that is the meaning of tokenization. Getting? So now next, stop word. What is the meaning of stop word? What is the meaning of stop word? Stop word meaning, if you want, there are some word you can see that the is, and if you want to remove this one, so these are the stop word. Okay, now you can see before my text there was I cannot wait for the new season of my favorite show. Okay, so now you can see from here I removed cannot, only cannot is coming, wait new season favorite show. So some text we have removed, what, the, is, and these are the stop words. Okay, now next, the meaning, this is very important, stemming and laminatization. What is the meaning of this laminatization? Laminatization is the process of reducing word to their base or dictionary form. What is the meaning of this? Suppose I am writing here, the first I am writing, suppose I am writing running, 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 number first I am writing, and second I am writing, suppose runners, I am writing runners, RUNNERS, runners. Third I am writing runs, RUNS. Okay, suppose in a text different words text are there, so why I am in place of this, if I will write only run, so only run, okay, if by the help of this I am writing only run, so that is the meaning of actual base form of the text, or you can say base or dictionary form. Okay, so this is the meaning of laminatization. And stemming also same. Stemming means you cut off prefix and suffix to reduce the word. Means what I am doing, I am removing the suffix, okay, means either prefix or suffix to make them the word in a better meaningful form. That is the meaning of stemming. So same thing also we have done here. Okay, and at last this topic is very important, that is the meaning of contractions. What is the meaning of contractions? Actually the meaning of contractions means to replace the missing word, to replace this is the code, okay, to replace the missing words in a two-word phrase with an in a shorter words. I am writing something. Suppose I have written just you can see that, suppose I have written one text, the text is equal to THEY, they and are going, GOING. Okay, they are going. Okay, I am writing, suppose they are going to class, suppose I am writing. Okay, so you have the text is there. Now you can see I am writing this, they are. So in place of this also I can write like this. I can also write like this. They, I can write THEY. I am writing in a shorter form. Okay, so to write the shorter form we are using this one. They are going to class. Now you can see by the help of this I am reducing the text size. They are going to class. Sorry, this is class. They are going to class. Okay, this is the meaning of, during the competition they are, means actually during the interview they ask such type of question. Okay, what is the meaning of this contraction? Okay, so contraction means to to write the word in a shorter word in a meaningful form. Now next, emoji. To remove the emoji, we are using something. Okay, suppose there is some emoji, then you can also remove. And at last, if there is a spelling mistake and you are using this code. Okay, so this is the final outcome of my this today lecture. And if we have done some mistakes, then please pardon us and tell us and write in a comment box. We will try to remove such problems. And if there are many applications of this advanced data structure in natural language processing, and we can also apply in our research. Okay, and there are many type of research you can see, and we can use just like in fake news and also healthcare. Okay, in business, finance, and plagiarism checking, and grammar and spelling mistakes corrections. There are many topics. Okay, we can use we are using actually, and we can also write such type of research in our okay, so we can publish. And our request, all the students, you should just try to contact us, and we will try to write such type of project for you. Okay, thank you so much. And in the GitHub, we have written more than 10,000 code. Okay, you can check in Google Classroom also. We have written many codes, and all the codes are available free of cost, and you can ask us questions anytime. Okay, we will be available. Thank you so much.